huge thanks to Intel for letting us come down and film the new Devil's Canyon CPUs a month before public launch. It was a great day and all possible thanks to Intel. Check out the Amazon link for any of the products we talk about in this video in the description down below. Hi guys and welcome to TechteamGB. Today we're going to be taking a look at basically a budget end PC that pretty much is full of Intel hardware. It's very cool and it's basically a console competitor. So we're going to be running a few benchmarks and stuff like that to test out this PC, see how it compares to the consoles and why you should buy this over an Xbox One or a PS4. So we're here with Simon to talk about the lower end PC. So remember, this is a £350 PC with a Pentium inside. It's a GT 740, 4 gigs of RAM, and basically what we did initially was we benchmarked it on the Intel graphics. We were using BioShock Infinite, as you saw, and that was getting about 20 FPS, which was, for low end Intel graphics is fantastic. Now Simon can explain to us basically what the sort of performance that the GT 740 should get us. What sort of performance is it?
Okay, so the performance of 740 is around about 40 to 45 frames a second at 1080p. At 720p it'd be about 60 to 70 frames a second.
Yeah, so basically if you're looking to get a console, this is probably going to be exactly the PC that you're going to be looking to buy instead of the console. So why do you think you should probably buy PC like this, a cheaper Intel core like a Pentium, as opposed to your Xbox One or your PS4?
So this is a great starting point to get into the PC and play. You can play games. There's a whole legacy of games that have been around for about 20 years. There's sites like Good Old Games. Also, you've got sites like Steam, Origin, even Uplay, and then you've got all the sort of other ways of buying games as well, which might offer a discount. So it's a great way of A, buying cheaper games, B, having a huge range of games you can play. You don't have to worry about compatibility, because if it's PC compatible, it works on the PC. And also, the PC is more about doing other things as well. So you may find you love playing games, you love that sort of feeling of the adrenaline rush and all this sort of stuff, but often you might feel like you want to be a bit creative. What else can a PC do for me? So it allows you to outlet all of this sort of creative energy you've got, and video editing. You've got all these apps with. On Windows 8 you have apps, so if you want to do stuff easily, like an eBay app or something like that, you have these options as well. But also, just doing, whatever you feel like. So you've got all this flexibility in the hardware itself, so it's really a powerful tool. But then on top of that, you can then upgrade it afterwards. So you aren't stuck with this one unit for 3 years. You have all this flexibility and upgradeability, which basically depends on whether you want to spend a bit of money and upgrade your processor, upgrade your video card, upgrade your RAM. You can do it incrementally, and you still don't lose the use of your PC while you're waiting to upgrade.
One of the things I was thinking actually for why you should probably go for a PC over a console is how we got started here at TechteamGB was we all built custom built PC, gaming PCs, and then all of a sudden we started watching other YouTubers and stuff like that, and then realised we could do that. We've got the PCs, we can edit the videos and whatnot, and it just works a lot easier. We me and Phil and Tom do a little bit of games development sometimes, 3D modelling, Photoshop, all that sort of stuff, and then even just having a desktop just makes life a little bit easier. I tend to think with some mobile sites you lose functionality and stuff like that, so generally having a PC, even if it's a cheap one like this where it's only 350 quid, it just helps you out a lot. You can do a lot more in it than a console, and as I said, we've got all this upgradeability. So a new graphics card line comes out, you can go and grab one of those, maybe get 60, 70 more FPS because you bumped up a couple of levels. You get a new processor, RAM, all that sort of stuff. You can add more hard drives and whatnot to expand your storage. So it's really just a very good way to go instead of a console. And obviously you still can have that console couch gaming experience as well with help with controllers and whatnot as well. So yeah, it's been really cool being here at Intel, and we'll have plenty more content for you guys to check out in well, hopefully very soon. Anyway, thanks for watching TechteamGB. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like it, hit the dislike button if you dislike it, leave a comment and let us know what you thought of any of the content from Intel. Let us know if you think of anything we could improve on or change, and yeah, we'll see you all in the next video. Once again, a huge thanks to Intel for letting us come down and play with our awesome new Devil's Canyon CPU lineup. Just a quick shout out to Asus and Gigabyte who helped out as well with our awesome new motherboards. We'll be working very closely with Asus, Intel and Gigabyte to bring you guys the best possible coverage of not only Devil's Canyon and Z97, but also loads more future releases, so stay tuned. Click on some of the videos on screen to see some of our brilliant Intel Bloggers Day coverage.